Hi, and welcome to WCL1102, Introduction to Fairy Tales. My name is Dr. Ann Reitz. I developed this course, and this semester I'm teaching it too. I teach German language and culture studies in the Modern and Classical Languages department, as well as world cultures and lit courses, especially in gender studies and film studies and art studies. The goals of this course are, of course, to introduce you to fairy tales from around the world, as well as to the faculty members and fields of studies that we deal with in the Modern and Classical Languages department. If you haven't yet taken your language requirement here at UH, you might like to see some of the professors that you might be having for the language that you take. Additionally, besides introducing you to fairy tales and to our department, this course should be an easy introduction or review of the standards of research and academic writing that you'll need for the rest of your university courses. The course helps you to review how best to set up and research a paper for an academic topic for your other courses. When I said that we developed this to be an easy one-credit course, what I mean is it should not be difficult to follow the instructions for the course in order to score a pretty high grade. Think of the course as testing your patience more than anything else. If you follow all of the instructions in the course, it should be easy. Generally, a one-credit university level course is supposed to require about 4 hours of effort each week. We think that, or I think at least, that if you follow the instructions for the course and pay attention to everything, you can complete the course in considerably less time than that. Therefore, as you take the course, please be aware, don't procrastinate. This is a computer course, and you'll want to finish everything in advance because there will inevitably be glitches or computer freeze-ups or internet outages or power outages or whatever. If that happens on the day that stuff is due, the very few deadlines you have in this class, there's really nothing that anybody else can do to help you around that. So please do all of your work in advance. Don't put off stuff. Especially since it's a pretty quick and easy course to take, I hope. There are only 4 deadlines for this course. That is your first unit introductory deadline, which is designed to help you be introduced to the course and see how you're going to like it before the final add drop date. And there's also 2 other deadlines for when you're supposed to complete unit tests. And then there's also the final paper deadline. If you want to work in advance, you can. Every semester I have students who finish this course around midterms. If, however, you don't want to and you just want to stick with the deadlines, that's fine. But those are tight deadlines. Once you've missed them, you've missed them. If you can turn in your writing assignment works a week in advance, I'm happy to give you back your corrections and you can do a rewrite if you'd like to for a better grade. But if it doesn't come in a week in advance, then I don't offer the rewrite option. As you go through the course and read the required readings for each unit, be sure to click the little review icon on the bottom of the document. That will open up the next section for you. When you first log into the course, you can see only 1 unit, although there are 5 units. Each unit becomes visible to you and available after you've completed and clicked the review icon from each reading section. And then once you've taken the unit test and submitted it, that's when the next unit becomes visible to you. So you have to complete each unit in order. Remember that because this is a computer course, some of the test work is computer graded and might seem incorrect to you or inaccurate. If, for example, there's a multiple choice question or a fill-in-the-blank question about how the psychologist Bruno Bettelheim interprets fairy tales for children, and you type in kids, the computer might correct that as wrong because it expected the word children instead of the word kids. Please don't be worried about that kind of thing. Every time that you've submitted a test, I will personally review it just to make sure that there aren't computer inconsistencies where you've lost points and you shouldn't. If you're concerned about me maybe missing something, just send me a quick email that says, Dr. Reitz, I think that my answer to number 4 was right, but then computer marked it as wrong. Will you please take a look at it and let me know? If you have taken the test well in advance, you're allowed to do a retake. If you haven't, then you don't get to. Okay? If you run into trouble with this course and you need help on the content, meaning the meaning of fairy tales or approaches to research, please email me. I'm always ready to help. If you are doing this course and you run into trouble with how to navigate Blackboard or how to manage your computer or get better, I don't know, speaker quality or something, please use the help desk at Blackboard. I'm not really able to help you with your technical issues, but I'm more than ready to help you with your cultural interpretation issues, if you want to call it that. Other than that, I think you're ready to start the course. I hope that it's enriching for you, and I hope that it stands you in good stead for the rest of your university studies. Please let me know if you need any help with anything. Thanks. Bye.